So hello guys, today we are going to learn the basics of chess with Anand Mittal. So my name is Anand Mittal and I am your presenter and host. And today I am going to teach you how to play chess from the very starting. So it's very easy game. You have 32 pieces on both the sides, 16 pieces each side. So we have 8 pawns, we have 2 horses, we have 2 camels and we have 2 elephants. So these are the names of the pieces and we have one queen and one king. So how to play, how to move these pieces? So we have a pawn. So in the very starting, a pawn can move if he wants. He can move two steps. He can take 2 steps, or if he wants, he can only take 1 step. But only at the starting he get the opportunity to move 2 steps. So so this is clear. Okay. Now how pawn kills? So let's say we have a this horse here. So if we have this position, then this pawn will kill this horse. Okay. So what do we understand? That pawn kills diagonally. Remember that pawn cannot kill backward. In backward direction, it cannot kill. Okay. It can only kill in the front, and also it cannot kill in this way. It can kill only this like this. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now let's move to the next piece. We have this. We have elephant. So elephant have a very simple movement. It can move indefinitely vertically. It can move vertically in it can take indefinite step in the vertical and horizontal direction. Okay. So let's suppose we have a this elephant here. So I can move like this. Okay. And if I want, I can move like this. Now let's move to the horse. So horse again has a very simple but little bit complicated movement. So horse can take 2.5 steps, like 1, 2, and 3. What is this? 1, 2, and 3. Again 1, 2, and 3. This was the first way of moving horse. There is another way. That is 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? Similarly, it can also move backward. Like for example, if it is sitting here, it can move 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. If it wants 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. So we have understood horse also. Now let's talk about the camel. So camel can move diagonally in any direction, that is either forward or backward. It can take indefinite steps. So we have understood camel also. Let's move to the queen. So queen, what is queen? It is a mixture of a, a camel and a elephant. It is a mixture of camel and elephant. Okay. So it can move vertically, it can move horizontally, it can move diagonally, and it can take indefinite steps. So this was so we have king left. It is similar like queen, but it cannot take indefinite steps. It can also move horizontally, it can also move vertically, it can move diagonally, but it can take only 1 step. Okay. So I hope you have understood what I want to teach you, and now let's move to the next part of the chess. Now how to play chess. So chess have 4 minor pieces. So things, these are four minor pieces. Okay, so these are four minor pieces, and we have the task to bring these four minor pieces on the board. What I mean that we have to first move these minor pieces on the board. So let's say I move this. So this is the basic position of chess. What we have to do, we have to capture this. We have to capture these four blocks. We have to capture the center, and how to capture it? The best way is move the pawn, then move the knight. So this knight is defending this block and this block. Then move this knight. This knight is defending this block, this and this block. And these pawn are defending these above two blocks. Similarly, move the bishops. Then castle. So this way we have controlled our center. Now we have learned what are pieces, how to move them, and how to play chess. Now, what is the goal behind playing chess? So our goal is to checkmate this king. What do I mean when I say checkmate? So let's play a game to understand what I mean. Let's suppose our opponent play this, I play this, he plays this, I play this, he make another move like this. Now here, so king is attacked by my queen, and it cannot move anywhere, and nobody else can defend their king from my queen. And my and king cannot kill my queen, and king cannot kill my queen because my queen is backed by my bishop or camel. Okay, so this is called as checkmate. Okay, now what are the else terminologies in the chess? One is called stalemate. Now what is stalemate? It is a condition when all the pieces all the pieces of our opponent have gone. Okay, now what is left? That suppose this is the position. Somewhat this position happens. Now this is stalemate. What is the difference between stalemate and checkmate? The basic difference between stalemate and checkmate is in checkmate we won, and stalemate the game is drawn. Draw ho jata hai. The game is drawn. So how it is drawn? See, the king cannot move either here, 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 or here. Neither it can kill it. Okay, because this these blocks are these blocks are protected by this pawn, and these blocks are protected by king. See, the king is not under attack here. This king is not under attack, but also it cannot move anywhere else in the chessboard. So this position is stalemate. Now he cannot move anywhere, and it's his chance. So this is drawn. So I hope you have understood how to play basic chess, and if you and now how to master chess. The only way to master chess is playing the game on regular basis. Now where can we play? So there are two websites, either leechess.org or chess.com. These both are open source and free websites where you can play chess with real players all over the world. And if you find this video uh, informa- informative, then please subscribe my channel and click the like button.